life, you will encounter unexpected situations that you do not know how to handle the most reasonable way, as well as the dangerous situations you know how to overcome. We have a series of situations like this in this video. You can refer and learn offline. Please look at how she does it. Please observe carefully and try not to miss any details, then do it again a few times if possible. This will equip you with skills to overcome difficult situations. First, she put the shoes on the table and used different crayons, which were colored in yellow, brown, and purple, and submitted in red and blue, and highlighted the shoe with yellow before the brown and then purple and then blue as red will leave the colors staggered. This sparks of one chip shoe and the other. Then she puts away the crayons and uses some alcohol to pour on it. The chemicals in the alcohol will cause the molecules' color flexible movement dissolves. Your interest is what motivates us to continue making quality videos to meet your growing demands. Please like and share if you think our video is a hit. Don't forget to click on the channel subscribe button and the small bell button next to so as not to miss any of our videos.
What is the girl facing that looks at her very tired, irritable, and has pain in her stomach? Oh, she had a stomach ache for that month. This is what girls get often.
Menstrual period.
Oh, my stomach hurts. It hurts, honey. How to stop pain and relieve discomfort? Why do you keep asking me so much? Oh, you really are very upset. Take a small cotton towel, use the needle to sew it back, make a bag. Then add the hot dried rice, 1 bag full. Check it out, it's very hot. Now, do lie down on the sofa. Underscore the bag is done already. It looks so cute, the thickness is just right for heating.
Heat up within microwave.
Honey, try your best gloves. I have heated this towel in the microwave already. Now, please lie down on the sofa. I put this towel on your stomach. Everything will be fine right away. You can't use that towel because it won't help you relieve your stomach ache. So I don't lie down on the sofa, honey. I am in pain. Oh, trust me, everything will be fine. Okay, I'm lying down. Okay, lie down. I'll gently put it on this stomach. How do you feel? Is it better? Well, it's so comfortable. Honey, I think I'm very well.
Tired eyes.
This towel with rice here, warmed in the microwave, and now try putting it on your eyes. See to see all eyes, fatigue and headache. Is it comfortable? Oh, very comfortable. Everything is fine.